How to buy AZAG-X token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Use fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, check their Telegram and their Discord too. They include it on their X account. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinEx. To be able to buy this token, what you do, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, it's under the Solana network. Open your financial wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here, paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, click on it. And here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token without any issue. Now, as you can see, this is how to buy AZAG-X token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.